Look how big the nest has gotten. It's really attached itself to the house heavy. And the hole no longer is in the bottom. Look where the hole is now. Used to be at the very bottom. Started out with a half a tier of the siding, then it went to 1.5, and now we're a little over 2 here. Look at that. They don't want that thing to fall down. They embedded it all inside like that. Wow. Really getting big. Something that has to be taken down, that's for sure. Ain't that a big one, huh? The hole's nice and centered. It's all round now. Odd how they hook it up like that. That's a lot of work. But every couple of weeks, they kind of go another tier on the siding. So, I don't know. It's getting pretty big. Surely gonna wait for a cold night before spraying it and then taking it down. So we probably got maybe another month before we run into that. It's got time to really be gigantic. Look at that. That's something. All right, hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Bye-bye.